Welcome to the ultimate Auckland City Tour. I'm Grant Hackett, proud owner of Smart Sale Real Estate. Today we embark on an enchanting journey through the best sights and attractions across this vibrant city. From the northern tips of Rodney to the southern edge of Takanini, and from the eastern charm of Howick and Waiheke Island to the western beauty of Piha. Get ready for an unforgettable exploration of Auckland's iconic landmarks, hidden gems and vibrant culture, all covered in a single day. Stay tuned to discover why this is the best city tour ever. It's 9 a.m. in the city of sails, Auckland, and our journey begins in the northern reaches of Auckland, in the charming district of Rodney. Here, nature's beauty unfurls in a symphony of golden sands and crystal clear waters. Imagine the serene expanse of Orewa Beach, a breathtaking 3-kilometre stretch of white sand coastline where the gentle waves kiss the shore. Perfect for a refreshing swim or a tranquil picnic. Further along the Hibiscus coast beckons with its captivating coastal scenery, offering a myriad of outdoor activities from kayaking to hiking along scenic trails. In the historic town of Warkworth, time seems to stand still. Its quaint shops and cosy cafes invite you to just pause and savour the moment. Just a stone throws away lies Matakana, renowned for its bustling farmers' market and boutique wineries. Here, the air is filled with the scent of fresh produce and the robust aroma of fine wine. The aquatic wonders of Goat Island Marine Reserve await, a haven for snorkelers and divers where vibrant marine life thrives in crystal clear waters. And in the nearby regional park, a sanctuary of natural splendour, the trails leads you through lush landscapes teeming with native birds and offering stunning coastal views. It's 11:30 a.m. and we now venture east to Howick, a suburb steeped in history and culture. The past comes alive at the Howick Historical Village, a living museum where the 19th century is meticulously recreated. Stroll through this charming village and feel the whispers of bygone eras. Close at hand, Eastern Bay offers a perfect family retreat, with its gentle waves and soft sands, while nearby Botany Centre buzzes with activity, one of Auckland's largest shopping havens, where the latest fashion and culinary delights converge. Back at Cockle Bay, the tranquil waters invite kayakers to explore its serene beauty. For those seeking a leisurely day out, Pakuranga Golf Club represents lush fairways and challenging greens, while Lloyd Elsmore Park brims with sports facilities, including a swimming pool and a bustling bowling club. In the surrounding suburbs of Pakuranga and Bucklands Beach, they each reveal their own unique charms. Pakaranga's shopping centres and parks provide a vibrant backdrop, while Bucklands Beach offers splendid views and delightful beach activities. It's now 2 p.m. and our adventure continues as we board the fast ferry to the enchanting Waiheke Island. This idyllic island is a tapestry of stunning beaches, lush vineyards, and a vibrant art scene. Orewa Village, the heart of Waiheke, teems with quaint cafes, art galleries, and boutique shops. The island's famed vineyards, such as Mudbrook and Stony Ridge, invite you to indulge in and taste test their world-class wines amidst breathtaking vistas. Only Tangi Beach stretches invitingly its golden sands and clear waters perfect for the leisurely swim or sun-soaked relaxation. The Waiheke Historic Village offers a glimpse into the island's rich heritage, while the local art galleries showcase the creativity that flourishes in this serene haven. Back on the ferry, we hot-tail it in our car out west to Piha. It's now 5:30 p.m. when the rugged beauty of the coastline begins to unfold. Piha Beach, with its dramatic black sands and powerful surf, stands as a testament to nature's raw power and beauty. Lion Rock, an iconic landmark, rises majestically, offering panoramic views that are simply awe-inspiring. Nearby, Kitekite Falls cascades into a natural swimming hole, a hidden gem amidst the verdant Waitakere ranges. These ranges, with their lush forests and myriad of hiking trails, invite adventurers to explore their depths. Heading back, we arrive at the Arataki Visitor Centre, the gateway to the Waitakere Ranges, where visitors can learn about the region's natural and cultural history, adding depth to their explorations. Our exploration now leads to Auckland Central, the bustling heart of the city. Here, the Sky Tower pierces the sky, offering unrivaled views from its lofty observation deck. The Auckland Art Gallery, a treasure trove of Auckland and international art, invites you to lose yourself in its captivating exhibits. Queen Street, the city's main artery, pulses with life, lined with shops, cafes, and businesses. As we head into the evening, the Viaduct Harbour transforms into the vibrant hub of restaurants, bars, and nightlife, where the city's energy is palpable. In nearby Britomart, a trendy precinct, boutiques and eateries create a lively atmosphere. By day, the Auckland Domain and Winter Guards provide a serene oasis of lush gardens and peaceful walking paths, a perfect retreat from the urban bustle. We conclude our tour in the southern suburbs. As we head south along the southern motorway, we will focus on Takanini and Manukau City. In Takanini, Bruce Pullman Park stands as a testament to the community's love for sports. With its extensive facilities catering to various activities. Takanini Village offers modern shopping and dining experiences, while Southgate Shopping Centre remains a popular retail destination. Manukau City, with attractions like Rainbow's End theme park and numerous shopping centres, buzzes with family-friendly entertainment. Finally, Auckland International Airport, the gateway to New Zealand, and our ultimate destination for the night. We find the city's connection to the world, welcoming visitors from near and far. To achieve all this in a day, in this sprawling city, is a credit to the city's roading network. Auckland's public transport system appears to offer an efficient network of buses and trains. Ferries, such as the service to Waiheke Island, provide scenic and practical routes across the waters. For those exploring by car, Auckland's key routes ensure smooth travel, while the city's cycling paths offers a green alternative for the eco-conscious traveller. Thank you for joining us on this ultimate Auckland City Tour. From the scenic beaches of Rodney to the bustling streets of Auckland City, and from the historic charm of Howick to the natural beauty of Piha and Waiheke Island, Auckland truly has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing tours. Until next time, happy exploring. Finally, if you enjoyed this tour, leave a comment below with your favourite Auckland spot and let us know where you'd like us to explore next. Grant Hackett from Smart Sale Real Estate, signing off.